Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make video on how to use hole command in Creoparametric 5.0. So let's get started. Now our command is here, hole command. You can see here, but it is in invisible form. It can't work now for making active it. So we have to make this sketch. First of all, create this sketch, click on front plane, sketch it, normal view it. After that, take the center rectangle, put the dimension over here, 400 by 400 square. After that, click on this OK, make it extrude, and from here you can make it extrude on both the sides. Click on this green mark, click on the surface, click on this hole command. Your hole is generated. Now locate the position of this hole, pull this direction to the datum plane, pull this top to this datum plane. So the distance from the center of the hole to the datum planes are generated. If you wanted to change it, you can change it. This is the diameter of the hole. I wanted to make it 50. I can make 50. If you wanted to change the distance this from center of the hole to the datum plane, you can change it. Now go to placement, click here, right plane, make this hole align to this right plane. You can see here this is aligned to right plane. If you wanted to make to top plane, so click it align. You can see here the changes. Go to shape. Here you can, from here also you can change the diameter. I wanted to make it 200. Next, if you wanted to change the extrusion height, you can change it. I wanted to make it 200. Click on it and put over there. You can see the changes in this rectangular model. Next option is here. You can see create standard hole. If you create on standard hole, some option will be generated of standard size. Here you can see the standard sizes of the hole. Click on any. Here you can see this is the standard hole with sizes. For M68 by 6, here the drill should be of 62 diameter. Next, here you can see there are two options. First is the drill hole shoulder depth and second is the drill hole depth. If you click on drill hole shoulder depth, for watching the changes in the drawing, so click on this shadings or click on the wireframe. You can check the difference. Just observe here 186 extrusion height. So click on this first, it is 186.0. Click on second option, drill hole depth. It is from hole the surface to up to this tip point. It is 204.63. Okay. Now next, make it shading, and onwards we will see this countersink. If you wanted to add countersink, click on this command and put over here 150. This is the 150 diameter of the countersink, and here is the 90 angle. If you wanted to change this angle, you can change from here also. Next, this is the counter bore. Click on this counter bore and enter the dimension over here. I am going to make it 200. Next, specify this depth 40. and this should be 100. So you can check this is generated countersink as well as counter bore also, you can see here. So this is all about hole command. How to, in this video you will learn how to make countersink, counter bore, and hole with the standard sizes and the simple size of the hole. So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel for getting the video like this and learn the design software from basic to advanced. Thank you very much.